everyone! Happy New Year! How are you in this new year? How are you today? Long time not see you. How about your vacation? Where did you go in holiday? Where did you go in vacation? What? Didn't go anywhere because of COVID-19 very dangerous in Pangkal Pinang. Oke, jadi nggak kemana-mana ya karena COVID-nya semakin banyak ya di kota kita ya. Oke, today the first day in semester 2. We will continue on our English lesson today. Okay, today Monday, 4th of January 2021. We will continue on our English lesson in Unit 6 about gadgets. Yeah. Today we will learn from your student book, page 70 until 72. Alright. Okay, let's we check our lesson. Alright. Here unit 6 about gadgets. Nah, gadgets itu apa, Miss? Gak usah lah Miss jelaskan lagi ya gadgetsnya. Udah tentunya ya semuanya siswa Miss ini udah tahu tentang gadgets ya. Semuanya pasti punya gadgets ya. Apalagi kita belajarnya online ini ya, semuanya Miss yakin itu punya gadget. Oke. Gadget itu perangkat elektronik, perangkat pintar elektronik ya. Oke. Nah, di sini there are some vocabularies ya. Oke. There are some vocabularies about gadget. Ada beberapa vocabulary yang berhubungan dengan gadget di sini ya. Okay, usually, please prepare your notebook and then write this vocabulary on your notebook. Okay. Okay. For first vocabulary yang pertama ada elevator, walkie-talkie, flashlight, CD player, MP3 player, cell phone, electric fan, laptop, electric toothbrush, game console. Oke. Nah, di sini ada elevator itu apa, Miss? Miss tulisnya tangga berjalan. Tangga berjalan ya. Ya seperti itulah tangganya bisa berjalan sendiri ya. Seperti eskalator, seperti lift ya. Nah, itulah. Nggak perlu kita naiki satu persatu anak tangganya ya. Bisa dia jalan sendiri, kita tinggal pencet-pencet aja. Oke. Terus walkie-talkie. Walkie-talkie itu bahasa Indonesianya juga walkie-talkie ya. Bendanya seperti apa, Miss? Here. Nah, yang dipakai satpam, tahu ya sering ya? Oke. Nah, ada Pak Satpam, ada Pak Polis ya yang sering pakai benda ini ya. Nah, atau di rumah kalian juga punya mainannya si walkie-talkie ini. Oke. Let's see again. Flashlight, udah tahu ya, udah tahu semua flashlight ini apa. Flashlight ini lebih dikenal dengan lampu senter kalau kita ya. Nah, ada yang nggak tahu? Aduh, kebangetan ya kalau nggak tahu ya. Tuh udah ada Miss iniin ya gambarnya. And then CD player. Ya, Miss tentunya ini di rumah semuanya punya ya CD player. MP3 player juga ada. MP3 player ini seperti handphone kita juga, tetapi dia nggak bisa buat telepon, dia cuma buat dengar MP3 aja ya. Oke. And then next kita lihat cellphone. Semuanya udah tahu cellphone itu apa ya, telepon seluler seperti yang kita pakai sekarang ya. Oke. Ada electric fan, kipas angin, and then laptop, udah tahu semua, nggak mungkin nggak tahu laptop apa ya. Electric toothbrush, itu sikat gigi elektronik, sikat gigi pakai listrik. Nanti tinggal pencet, nggak usah lagi kita gosok-gosok sana sini, kita tinggal dorong ya, nggak pakai tenaga lagi ya. Oke. Game console. Nah, game console itu permainan game kalian itu ya. Apa namanya? Di sini Miss tulisnya permainan video ya, atau permainan konsol juga bisa ya. Kalau misalnya nggak mau tulisnya permainan video, tapi permainan konsol juga bisa. Ya seperti itulah bentuknya. Atau bisa mungkin seperti PS kalian itu ya kurang lebih ya, yang PlayStation. Nah, seperti itulah teman-temannya ya. Oke, ini tadi. Don't forget to write this vocabulary in your notebook, alright? Now let's read this vocabulary. Let's read it together. Gadget, elevator, walkie-talkie, flashlight, CD player, MP3 player, cell phone, electric fan, laptop, electric toothbrush, game console. Alright, let's repeat again. Elevator, walkie-talkie, flashlight, CD player, MP3 player, cell phone, electric fan, laptop, electric toothbrush, game console. Alright? Okay. Repeat once again. Read once again. Elevator, walkie-talkie, flashlight, CD player, MP3 player, cell phone, electric fan, laptop, electric toothbrush, game console. Alright? Okay. Don't forget to write this vocabulary on your notebook. Let's continue the next slide. This line is taken from your student book, page 70, part 2. Listen and answer. Here we will listen the audio and then we will answer this question. Alright? Let's listen the
Student's Book, page 70. 2. Listen and answer.
The next letter is in the caves. We have to get a flashlight.
Right. What else do we need?
A cell phone or a laptop?
No, I know what. Let's buy 2 walkie-talkies.
Good idea.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, we'd like some walkie-talkies.
How about these blue ones? They're $30.
Wow. What about those red ones?
They're $18.
Great. We also need another flashlight.
Sure. How about this one here? It's a very nice flashlight. It's only $12.
Okay, that's fine.
That's $30, please.
Hi, kids. What are you buying?
Oh, hi, Mr. Williams. We're buying a flashlight and some walkie-talkies. We're going to the caves.
That's exciting. Hope you have a good time.
Thanks. See you.
Alright, Miss repeats once again. Okay.
Student's Book, page 70. 2. Listen and answer.
The next letter is in the caves. We have to get a flashlight.
Right. What else do we need?
A cell phone or a laptop?
No, I know what. Let's buy 2 walkie-talkies.
Good idea.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, we'd like some walkie-talkies.
How about these blue ones? They're $30.
Wow. What about those red ones?
They're $18.
Great. We also need another flashlight.
Sure. How about this one here? It's a very nice flashlight. It's only $12.
Okay, that's fine.
That's $30, please.
Hi, kids. What are you buying?
Oh, hi, Mr. Williams. We're buying a flashlight and some walkie-talkies. We're going to the caves.
That's exciting. Hope you have a good time.
Thanks. See you.
Alright, we already done listen the audio and then let's check your answer. Where is the next letter? Apa jawabannya? In the caves. Okay. What is and $12? Apa yang $12-nya? The flashlight. Alright. And then what do they buy? Apa yang mereka beli? Okay, some red walkie-talkies and a flashlight. Who do they see? Mr. Williams. Alright. And then we continue the next slide. Oh yeah, don't forget to write on your student book. Jawabannya jangan lupa ditulis di student book kalian ya. Alright, okay. Here this line mistaken from your student book, page 71. Okay. Can I help you? Ini ada percakapan si Clark and Jane ya. Di sini kita tidak listen ya from this dialogue. We can answer ya. Kita bisa menjawab pertanyaan yang di sini ya. Oke. Yuk kita baca bersama-sama. Can I help you? Yes. How much is this game console? The DX24 it's $120. And this one, the DX32 is more expensive. It's $150. Then so the DX24 is cheaper. Yes, but the DX24 is bigger and the X32 is smaller. The DX is more beautiful, but there is only one problem. What is that? I have $120. The DX is $150. Nah, artinya apa sih Miss dialognya? Oke, can I help you? Bisa saya bantu? Iya. Terus dia tanya berapa harga game konsolnya. Si Jen ini mau beli game konsol. Game konsolnya itu ada dua tipe. Yang pertama tipe DX24. Harganya $120. Harganya $120. Nah, yang satunya tipe DX32 harganya $150 ya lebih mahal, more expensive. Expensive itu artinya mahal atau murah? Mahal, oke. Nah, so the DX24 is cheaper. Si Jen bilang, jadi yang DX24-nya lebih murah. Si Claire bilang, iya. Tetapi DX24 is bigger, lebih besar. DX24-nya itu lebih besar dan yang DX32 itu lebih kecil. Oke. Terus si Jen bilang DX32 itu more beautiful itu artinya lebih cantik. Tetapi ada satu masalah. Si Clem nanya lagi, what is that? Masalahnya apa? Uangnya tidak cukup. Si Jen cuma punya $120, sedangkan harganya itu ada $150. Uangnya tidak cukup ya. Oke, nah dari from this dialogues we can write Here, the X20, the X30, I'm sorry, the X24-nya harganya berapa? Good, $120. Size-nya small or big or big? Big. Okay, and then the X32 harganya berapa? How much? 150. And then size-nya small. Alright. Don't forget write on your student book. Okay? Jangan lupa ditulis di student book-nya itu ya. Okay, let's we continue. Nah, is it about grammar focus? Comparatives. Nah, comparatives itu apa, Miss? Oh ya, don't forget write on your notebook. Jangan lupa like usually seperti biasa ya. Ditulis di buku tulis kalian. Please write on your notebook this grammar focus. Komparatif digunakan untuk membandingkan antara dua benda. Nah, komparatif itu perbandingan yang digunakan untuk membandingkan dua benda. Bendanya hanya ada dua yang dibandingkan ya. Ingat, hanya ada dua benda. Oke. Nah, yuk kita lihat caranya bagaimana. Di sini ada Miss tulis rumusnya lah ya. Miss katakan rumusnya. Ada noun, bisa noun, bisa subject. Terus ada verb. Verb itu is ini yang dinamakan verb. Komparatif adjektif, terus ada then, terus noun lagi ada benda yang dibandingkannya. Nah, then-nya tidak lupa ya ini. Ini kan number one ada then, ada then. Nah, di sini juga ada then. Oke, contohnya the DX24 is bigger than the DX32. Number 2, the DX32 is smaller than the DX24. Number 3, the DX32 is more expensive than the DX24. Nah, di sini ada perbandingan. Ini kan artinya DX24 lebih besar dari DX32. Terus yang kedua, DX32 lebih kecil dari DX24. Terus yang ketiga, DX32 lebih mahal dari DX20. Okay, look at this example. DX24 lebih besar dari DX32. DX32 lebih kecil dari DX24. DX32 lebih mahal dari DX24. Oke. Nah, di sini ya, kan komparatif. Komparatif tadi membandingkan compare two things. Membandingkan dua benda. Oke. Oke, let's we continue the next slide. Nah, ini juga ditulis. Please write on your notebook ya, atau misalnya yang ada mau print, yang kalau di rumahnya ada print boleh. Mau screenshot lalu di print out silakan. Yang penting punya catatan ya, nanti ketika ulangan kalian punya pegangan. Oke. Let's see this table. Yuk lihat. Di sini Miss ada buat kata adjektif ya. Jadi itu kata sifat ya, sudah dipelajari di kelas 2. Adjektif, komparatif dan superlatif. Nah, superlatif ini ditutup dulu. Nanti ada materi ya, materi after this we can learn about superlative. Alright, oke. Nah, tetapi hari ini kita sampai komparatif dulu ya. Oke, di sini ada tall. Tall menjadi taller, menjadi tallest. Terus big, bigger, biggest. Happy, happier, happiest. Small, smaller, smallest. Cheap, cheaper, cheapest. Fast, faster, fastest. Easy, easier, easiest. New, newer, newest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Expensive, more expensive, most expensive. Nah, Miss, kenapa Miss beautiful sama expensive itu mereka beda berubahnya? Bukan or lagi, mereka ada di depannya more sama most. Kenapa? Karena beautiful dan expensive itu sudah 2 syllables ya, 2 syllable. Kosakatanya sudah lebih panjang, sudah 2 syllable. Nah, jadi kalau yang sudah kata kosakatanya yang 2 syllable, 3 syllable itu mereka tidak menggunakan er atau est lagi, tetapi mereka berubahnya menjadi more and most. Oke. Oke, until here, any question so far? Alright, okay. Thank you. Yeah, okay. We continue the next slide. Okay, this line is taken from your student book, page 72. Di situ listen to the song. Nah, kita mau mendengarkan lagu, alright? We listen the song. Let's go.
Student's Book, page 72. 1. Listen to the song. Write Tom or Sue by their bikes.
My bike is bigger and faster than yours and more beautiful too. My bike is lighter and newer than yours and it's more expensive too.
It's true that your bike is bigger and faster than mine, and it's more beautiful too. Your bike is lighter and newer than mine, and it's more expensive too. But I ride my bike every day, in the sun and in the rain. Your bike just stays inside, it never comes out to play.
So, you ride your bike every day, in the sun and in the rain. I want to take my bike outside too. Can I come out and play with you? Can I come out and play with you?
What? Let's repeat again.
Student's Book, page 72. 1. Listen to the song. Write Tom or Sue by their bikes.
My bike is bigger and faster than yours and more beautiful too. My bike is lighter and newer than yours and it's more expensive too.
It's true that your bike is bigger and faster than mine, and it's more beautiful too. Your bike is lighter and newer than mine, and it's more expensive too. But I ride my bike every day, in the sun and in the rain. Your bike just stays inside, it never comes out to play.
So, you ride your bike every day, in the sun and in the rain. I want to take my bike outside too. Can I come out and play with you? Can I come out and play with you?
Alright. Missing enough for meeting today by this video. Okay. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Don't forget, stay safe, stay clean, and stay at home. Alright? Okay, bye.